Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up products to make this card, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. When you purchase Stampin' Up products through me, you can earn free products. Check out my current customer appreciation products on my blog, and the link is listed below in the description. Today is another tutorial for the Global Stampin Video Hop. Each month on the fourth Friday, other Stampin' Up demonstrators from around the world come together and share their products based on a monthly theme. September's theme is Clean and Simple, or Stamp a Stack. Today I'm sharing this clean and simple card. So to begin, I wanted to share with you the different stamp sets that I've used on this card, and a couple of them are Sale-a-bration stamp sets, which means that you can get them for free till the end of September 2021. So the first one is the texture and frames, and this is something that you can get for free with a $50 order. And I love the simplicity of the images and how easily they can be used with other images from different stamp sets. And the second stamp set I'm using is the In Your Words stamp set. This is also a Sale-a-bration item, and it is the host gift during Sale-a-bration. So if your order is $300 or more, or if you're the host of a party of orders that reach $300 or more, you can receive this stamp set for free. And I just really love all these fun greetings. Today I'm going to be using this one that says, "Hope this card makes you smile." Now the flower image that I'm using on my card, it comes from the Flowers of Friendship stamp set. And I do have another card or two that I've made with this image. And if you're interested in seeing those, you can click on the link in the top right, and I will link the playlist that has these cards in them. And I just think they're a really fun image. And what I was looking for was a nice lined image that was nice and large and that would complement the shapes that I was using from the texture and frames. And so that's why I chose this particular stamp. So to begin making this card, we do need to identify the center. And so I'm going to just use a ruler. This piece of cardstock is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And so I'm just going to make a mark at the 2-inch line. And then just do a light drawing down the center. And then I also want to just make a mark in the middle here. And so 1/2 of 5 1/4 is 2 5/8. So right about there. Let's just double check. 2 5/8. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the circle image, and I've got 3 different colors that coordinate well, and you can use any 3 colors that you have. So I have soft seafoam, petal pink, and pale papaya. And I'm going to begin with the pale papaya, and I want to stamp this right in the center, going horizontally, and I want to touch that line. And that line is my midpoint, or my midline. So we're just kind of finding the center here. So something like that. Then I'm going to clean it, and I'm going to pick up my next color, which is petal pink, and I'm going to stamp directly across from it. I'm trying to, again, line it up so that they're close to each other in the center and directly across from each other on the other side of that line. All right, so now that I still have petal pink, I'm just going to go ahead and pick that up again and come down and just stamp directly below my first one, again touching that center line, and then I can clean my image. I'm going to grab the pale papaya again and stamp above here. So I'm just creating a fun pattern. but I needed to have my center identified first so that everything can line up along that center line. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my last color and fill those openings in with the soft seafoam. Okay, so it will end up looking something like this. And once my ink is dry, I'm going to go back and, of course, remove those pencil lines. So once you're done with that, you're going to grab a dark ink color, and I'm using the Memento Black ink, and I'm going to stamp my greeting first. And I'm just going to put it down in the bottom right corner. And the reason I'm stamping it first is because I want to make sure I have enough room for it and that I don't cover up any of that space I need for my greeting, because your greeting might be longer or wider, larger or smaller, and so I want to make sure there's a good amount of space for that. Then I'm going to ink up my lined image here, and I'm just going to stamp it on the left side. Something like that. Then I'm going to add it to a piece of thick basic white cardstock that I'm using as my card base. And so I'm just going to go ahead and add this layer onto the front of that card base. You could also add this layer with dimensionals if you have them and want to add a little bit more to your card. Okay, so that card is now all done. And just as a quick note, I'd like to share with you 2 cards that I've created from this simple card idea. And they're more stepped up. So here is the first one. This is just a stepped up card. You can see that I've added more layers and a little bit of embellishment. And then here is my third card, and this is more of a wow card. I've added some fun techniques, some fussy cutting, and as well as more embellishments. Make sure to follow along with the Global Stampin Video Hop by clicking on the link in the description below for the next video. If you're interested in getting written instructions or seeing how I created my stepped up cards, you can visit my blog, creativechelsea.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.